If you've got a raster image, maybe a logo or an icon, and you want to turn it into a vector, your first thought might be to redraw it manually. And yes, that would take a lot of time. Fortunately, Affinity has an image trace feature that makes vectorizing an image much simpler and way faster. So I have a raster image here. If I zoom in, you'll see the pixels, which makes it less ideal to use, especially when you need the graphic in different sizes. To vectorize it, just select the image, go to Vector, and click Image Trace. This will open a panel with several settings you can adjust. The first slider is Edge Threshold. Let me zoom this first to get a better look. Moving this slider changes how the edges are detected, which has a big impact on your final vector result. There's also curve fitting tolerance, which controls how smooth or sharp the curves become. Just drag it to get the look you want. You have a few preview options too. The first one is no split view. It's what you're seeing now, a single view of the trace result. The second preview is a split view. Click on it and you'll see after on the left and before on the right. You can drag the divider to compare the differences. And the third preview is the mirror view, which shows two side-by-side versions. The trace result on the left and the original on the right. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit apply. And just like that, your image is now a vector graphic. If you check the layers panel, you'll see it's made up of a group of shapes. You can edit everything, change colors, adjust individual shapes, and tweak it however you like. Just keep in mind that the final result depends heavily on the quality of the original raster image. The higher the image quality, the better the vector will turn out. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.